First things first, you remove the top cover. The air filter is going to be underneath the PCM here. You're going to remove these two tabs, and then the PCM will slide out of the way. Now you don't have to remove it completely, you just have to get it out of the way. You can use a bungee cord to hold it in place while you remove the air filter. Now that we have that out of the way, you're going to remove some screws. They're Torx. So let's go ahead and remove about 4 of them. One here, one underneath there, and one there. This is a T25. Now that you have those loose, you can move the top of the air filter housing cover off. And you go ahead and check your air filter. And it looks like it's dirty, so we're going to go ahead and replace it. Now, a lot of times the box is going to be, we want to go ahead and vacuum this up and get all the dirt out of here so it doesn't contaminate the new air filter. You put it in, face down obviously. You put the air cleaner box back on here and you run down the screws. Don't hammer them hard because you'll damage the plastic box. You just have to snug them down and that's good enough. And then you put the PCM back on top. Position in the right place. You slide it in right through there. Push down. Clips back on. Last and final part here is you're gonna install this cover. This little grommet goes right there. Make sure you center that. You might have to feel for it a little bit. Push down. And then the other ones are right here and right here. You push down and you'll hear a click. And you're all set.